Hey, you know, one of the best places to get ready to sell your house is Costco. I'm gonna show you a couple deals while I'm strolling around Costco and show you how cool this is. Now, normally they have toilets for $99. They don't have them today, but you can check, and normally they have $99 toilets. All right, so here's a vanity, $400, and this right here is most likely quartz. Yeah, this is quartz. So you got a quartz vanity, a granite vanity. All right, $8.99 for a double vanity. That's certainly not a bad deal, but I don't think it's as good of a deal as this one. Like, this right here is it. Another place you can find this is Facebook Marketplace. All right, so everybody wants to know how to set up their bathrooms. Right here, white towels. You want to put white towels on your racks. All right, so this is going to come up on almost every pre-home inspection we do, and for right now they're $20 a piece, and this is what you're going to need. You need the 10-year battery. You need one now in every bedroom, and you need one in like each floor, so like one in the hallway in every bedroom. All right, now here's the deal of the day. Check this out. $1.49 for a 6-pack of soft white floodlights. So replace all your floodlights right here. There is a limit of 4, but that should be enough to do everything you have. And then $3.99 for 6. And you want the ones that say soft white. The 2700K is the best look. Now, if you want to go crazy, you can buy these for here for $8, or basically $4 for the color changing light bulbs. And this is where it's at. Now, one thing you have to pay attention to is this right here, neutral wire required. But this is actually a sick deal if you have. In fact, I'm just going to go ahead and pick one of these up because these are normally, I paid $50 a piece for mine, and they're not as nice as these. So you buy the 100-watt light bulbs, maybe they're too bright, put them on a dimmer, and then you can hook them up to Alexa. And then over here we have this one here for $14.97. I don't know what the difference is, I'll read it. Is these flooring options, right? So what you really want is the waterproof stuff, which is luxury vinyl right here. This is going to be it. And then boom, right there, 100% waterproof. Look at this, $2 a square foot. And this got the wide plank. This might even be the stuff we put in our house. It's going to be something similar. But when you look at this, right, there's like a solid core. This doesn't come apart. It's like a solid PVC material. You can buy the transition right there. It won't stay up. But $2 a square foot. This one here is $3.29 a square foot, and this is $2. This is it right here. This is what I put, the sandalwood, and it's the real wide plank. It's a steal of a deal, guys. You go down, even like Home Depot and Lowe's, or you call a flooring company, you're gonna pay $10 a square foot to put it in. You can get this for $2 a square foot. I can have somebody put it in for you for $1.50 a square foot. You can do a bathroom for like 200 bucks or less. All right, here's another one. Cool looking retro ceiling fan, $150. That's a great deal. All right, we're gonna get ready to finish up. Shower curtains, you want to get something nice and neutral. White comes with the liner, the rings, the whole thing, $20 a piece. We're gonna say no on all rugs. No rugs whatsoever. And then right here, all right, $179. Now you can do this on Amazon for a lot cheaper, but if you want to go full out snazzy, pull out the Delta, you're gonna want to turn this around. Right now you got the Delta, $179. That's not a great deal, but it's better. That one comes with the sink. It's not a great deal. You can do better on Amazon.com, so I don't know if I necessarily recommend this. These are $60 for the bathroom faucets, but you pop this on top of that vanity over there, and you replace the vanity, and then you either spend $100 to get this super fancy looking thing. Like if you call and have somebody install one of those bars and they tile out your shower and the whole thing, it's thousands of dollars. You can make it look almost as good for $99, or go cheapo, 20 bucks right there. It will look a lot better than one of those nasty looking shower heads with all the crust all over it. All right, guys, hope you found this helpful and informative. Make it a fantastic day. Check out briansoldit.com.